Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can basically fix Valorant stuck on loading screen and basically you unable to play. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up your task manager and end all the tasks related to Riot Games, Valorant and Vanguard. So as you can see here, there is no tasks here. Just if there is for you, just right click on it and then go to and press end task. And then on the bottom right corner, also expand this option here and close right Vanguard here. Right, and after you do that, then the next thing what you need to do here, you need to delete temporary files. So here on search, just write temporary files, press on that, and then press on temporary files here, and as you can see here, it should be remove files buttons, press on that and delete temporary files. And after you do that, then the next thing that you can do here, you can update your operating system. So just press check for, just write on search check for updates and go to on this button, press this check for updates button, and there, if there is some updates, you can download it, install it, and then restart your computer. And the next thing that you can do here, you can uninstall Riot Vanguard. So go to basically apps, and features, look for Vanguard and install it. And maybe you have some corrupted files, and if you want to install again, what you need to do here is to run Riot client and it will install Vanguard automatically. And after you do that, then the next thing that you can do is to right click on the desktop and go to display settings and make sure you're using recommended things here. So for me here is 100%, and display resolution for me is this one also recommended. And the next thing that you can do here, you can go to basically to device manager and update your software and hardware. So you can update your disk drives, you can update your display adapters, you can update your monitors, you can update your network adapters and all the basically hardware you are using. So just expand these options and then right click on it and then press update driver and press on search automatically for drivers and update all the things here. Usually it updates automatically, but it's nice to check and look if all the drivers are up to date. And the next thing that you can do here, you can update your GPU. So I'm using NVIDIA, so I can go to GeForce Experience, and then on drivers you can check for updates here. And once you checked for updates, the next thing that you can do here, go to settings, go to be on general, scroll down and make sure to disable in-game overlay, and also enable, if possible, image scaling. As you can see here, it reloads, and mine on this one, and I like to use it sharpen from 20 to 30. All right, and that's pretty much it. What you need to do here if you want to fix Valorant is stuck on loading screen. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.